Hello and welcome to another episode of Trains App, and today we're at Nuneaton on the West Coast Mainline. So you'll be seeing services by Virgin Trains, London Midland, cross country, and with any luck some freight as well. The cross-country services to Leicester and Birmingham are on platform 6 and 7, and then cross the line just a bit further up. And here we find 350 376 working a London Midland service to Crewe, bringing with it 350 241. It's the 1902 London Midland service to Crewe. And here's 153 371 is going to be forming the 1941 London Midland City service to Coventry. And the next train to pass by is a Virgin Trains class 390 Pendolino. Yep, she's definitely shifting. Okay, and our first freight train of the day is going to be a Freightliner class 66. Sixty-six 501. Japan 2001. Okay, and the next train to pass by is going to be a Virgin Trains class 390 Pendolino, bound for London Euston. (390-103). Sparking away nicely there. 66 501's come to a halt. It's probably a driver change, I suspect. Okay, the next train to pass by is a Freightliner class 70. (70-007) kicking up a hell of a lot of wind. Okay, now departing is the 1910 cross-country service to Birmingham New Street, 17639. As 66501 finally kicks into life. Okay, and the next train to arrive is the 1913 Virgin train service to Wrexham General.
Only. Please travel in the rear 5 carriages of the train for Brill, Colwyn Bay, Llandudno Junction, Bangor and Holyhead.
Got 22110 at the front. And 22118 on the rear. Okay, now departing, as I got incorrectly, is actually the 1914 London Midland service to Coventry with 153371. I thought it was the 1941, I was well off, it's the 1914. Okay, now getting ready to depart is the 1913 Virgin Train Super Voyager service to Wrexham General. With a very scruffy rear end. The next train to pass by is a Virgin Trains class 390 Pendolino, giving it the beans. (390,018). The next train to pass by is another Virgin Trains class 390 Pendolino. (390,047). Some fantastic sparks there. And the next train to pass by is another Virgin Trains class 390 Pendolino. (39152). And the next train to pass by is going to be a Virgin Trains class 390 Pendolino. It's the return of 390,048 Virgin Radio Star. Again, sparking away quite beautifully. And the next train to pass by is another Virgin Trains class 390 Pendolino. I think it was 90046. Now incoming is the 1936 London Midland service to London Euston. 350,368. Again with a near full train. And Coming up over the flyover is going to be the heavily delayed 1923 cross-country Turbostar service to Leicester. That 106, I believe. No, it's 170-109. Okay, 350-368 is getting ready to depart with the 1936 London Midland service to London Euston. And then to pass by will be another Virgin Trains class 390 Pendolino. Nice little turn there, thank you very much. $390-132. Couple of nice sparks there. Okay, and the next train to arrive is going to be a DB Cargo UK Class 66. $66,111. And then we've got a pair of DB Cargo UK Class 90s coming through. $90,037 and $90,035. 170-107 is just pulling in with the 1944 cross-country service to Birmingham New Street. And then we have another 66 from Freightliner. $66,111, not really hauling an awful lot. However, this Freightliner 66 has a fully heavy intermodal set. $66,540. $170-107 is now departing with the 1944 cross-country service to Birmingham New Street. $66,540 is called Ruby. Right here then, the next train to pass by is another Virgin Trains Class 390 Pendolino. $390-104. Okay, 66,540 is now powering up again.
From the platform edge. The next train at platform 2 does not stop here.
Alrighty then. Well, as 66540 powers up and drags her intermodal train away, I'm just going to reverse so I can get a clear view as to what's going to be passing through platform 2. A bit of wear and tear on that one. Bit of a rarity, a tank tainer on there. Okay, looks like we're going to have a DB Cargo UK Class 66 steaming through. Nice little sharp tone there, thank you very much. 66090 with a load of tarmac wagons by the looks of it. Well, it says tarmac on there anyway. Seems to be owned by Collis Rail. I'm loving the variety in freight I'm getting here today. And the next train to arrive is going to be the 1952 cross-country service to Stansted Airport. $175.22. And the next train to pass by is another Virgin Trains Class 390 Pendolino. Giving it the almighty beans, but I couldn't give you the numbers, I'm afraid. However, God, look at that! Lovely bit of clag from the Freightliner Class 70 there. 70.016. Cool. Yes, please. Go on, girl. Go on. Give me the beans, girl. That's going to be passing via Water-Orton. And the next train to pass by is, yep, you've guessed it, another Virgin Trains Class 300 Benzino. Great little two-tone, thank you very much. Couldn't tell you the number, I'm afraid, but there's a fantastic little two-tone from the driver there. Thank you very much. Alrighty then, our final train of the day is going to be another Virgin Trains class 390 Pendolino bound for London Euston. .390 some cracking sparks there. God, beautiful. Well, as she continues onwards, I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching. It is greatly appreciated. If you've liked what you see today, then please do like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment. I do get back to them as and when I get the opportunity to. This has been an absolutely fantastic video, I have to admit. It's just been brilliant. The amount of freight that I've caught here alone, it trumps Polesworth and Atherstone by a country mile. The Clag from 70016, my word. The double pairing of DB Cargo UK Class 9Cs, the Freightliner 66, plenty of DB Cargo 66s. It's, well, I tell you what, I can ask for much better. Obviously then high-speed Virgin Trains Pendolino services. Now obviously the London Midland City 153371 that's just pulled in again. It'll be forming the 2014 service, if I can get it right. Obviously the various cross-country services as well. It's just been the complete package. I do highly, highly recommend this station to anyone who's not been here before. It is fantastic. You get such a fantastic variety throughout. I mean, again, I've only spent an hour here, and it's just absolutely brilliant. I cannot fault this station whatsoever. Superb views all round. Yeah, it just ticks all the boxes. It is wonderful. Well, my next station is going to be Hampton-In-Arden, and then all the corresponding stations down to Coventry. After Coventry, it's then a film at Cathiron. I'm going to assume that's how it's pronounced. After that, it's Rugby. Then it's the Coventry International Rail Freight Terminal, if I can find a spot somewhere nearby. Then it's Longbuckby, then Wilson's Crossing, then Northampton, Blisworth Road, if I can find a spot there, Ashton, Castlethorpe, well, Hanslope's South Junction before Castlethorpe, Wolverton, Milton Keynes Central, Bletchley, Bedford, Stoke Hammond, Linslade, Leighton Buzzard, Cheddington, Tring, and every other station along the way. I'm sure you get the gist. But it's been a fantastic evening. Thank you once again all for watching, guys. It does mean an absolute huge amount getting all these views. So once again, thank you all so very much. And until next time, from me here at Nuneaton, I shall see you all later. Take care, guys. Goodbye.